Usually for short-haul flights, Fijian Airlines don't provide an amenities kit, but I did ring in advance of this flight because it is short-haul from Nadi to Auckland, and asked if they could possibly supply one for me to use in the travel vlog. It's actually a very nice little kit for a short haul. Has all of the usual things that you'd expect to find. A lovely Fiji themed bag in calico, eye masks with a Fiji motif, some moisturising cream and a hydrating body mist, the usual earplugs, toothbrush and toothpaste, and some wee socks to use on the flight. They've recently upgraded the lounge, and I'll just do a wee tour around to show you how the scope of the lounge. They have lovely areas for children to play in. As you can see, they're busy in there playing away. Lots of cuddly toys. Some very quiet areas for people to sit and to be away from the main bar area, which is very useful. And some even quieter alcoves in a separate room off the main room. What is a lovely feature of the lounge is that the walls coming into the lounge are living walls. They have a high carbon offset print here for the airport. And although I originally thought that plants were not real, they actually turn out to be real. The lounge is a very good size. It doesn't conduct that much noise, so you can get some good peace and quiet in here. And they do have the Rugby World Cup playing. As a business class passenger on an evening flight, you get a meal provided before you board the aircraft, but you also get to use the services of the normal buffet that's provided as well within the lounge. That's a really nice idea. It just means that you can get onto the aircraft and sleep for 3 hours before getting back into Auckland at 2 a.m. in the morning. There's a wide range of salads and hot dishes, and a wonderful array of tropical fruits and tropical desserts available as well. Because it's a dual nationality country, there's a lot of Indian sweets that are available here in the lounge, all undercover, so you can have a choice of lovely Indian delights as well. The bar is well stocked and the staff are incredibly friendly, and tomorrow is the National Day, Fiji Day. So nothing is too much trouble for them. Very, very friendly staff indeed. Bula. So a number of TV facilities, some with the news on, some with sport. And currently one of the TVs is playing Scotland versus Russia. Something that I did find really nice was that the cups and saucers also had the Fiji motif on them. It's just a nice touch in a business lounge. So I'm looking forward to my flight home. It's an A330-200. I'm in 3D, so I'm looking forward to the full live flatbed service during that flight.